Hey everyone, welcome to another Show Me the Hogs tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can attach a thingamabobber with a jam stop onto your line. You can call this a part 2 video to a tutorial we did last year showing you how to tie a thingamabobber without a jam stop onto your line. So if you haven't seen that one, click the link in the top right corner to check it out. Alright guys, let's get started. For this demonstration I'm going to use chartreuse fly line backing for better visibility. One way to use a jam stop is to thread your line through the eye to the desired depth and shove the jam stop into the eye. Another way you can do this, and this is my preferred method, is to double over your line and thread it through the eye. Fold the jam stop over to keep it out of the way as you loop your line around the bobber, including the jam stop. Pull both sides of the line tight and jam the stop into the eye. And those are a couple of ways you can attach a jam stop thingamabobber to your line. That's it guys, let us know what you thought of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Also check us out on Instagram. This has been Chris with Show Me the Hogs and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.